Circular breathing, also known as connected breathing, is a conscious flow of breath that helps to release stored emotions, move energy through the body, energize the body, and can help create mental clarity. It's a powerful tool to awaken the body's innate intelligence and bring you into a heightened and present state. For this practice, you'll want to find a comfortable seated position. You can also do this laying down. But make sure that your posture is upright or aligned if you chose a lying position. Hands relaxed by the sides or in the lap. Shoulders down and back. Begin to focus on the inflow and outflow of the breath. Tune in to the quality. Is it deep or shallow? Is it filling into the chest or down into the belly? Inviting the breath into the belly. We begin to connect your breath. There's no pause between the inhale and the exhale. Imagine the corners at the top and the bottom round. Inhale through the nose. Round at the top, directly into the exhale. Round at the bottom. And round at the top into the exhale. Creating a smooth and fluid motion. Envisioning light that is following the breath, creating a circle that you can see in your mind's eye. With the inhale, fill the belly, and on the exhale, push the energy up. That again falls and fills the belly. And the exhale, the light pushes up. Rounds at the top. Gentle. Even. Unbroken. With each inhale, invite energy and clarity, light. heaviness, stagnant energy, thoughts, emotions. Let it go and fill with light as you curve into the inhale, transmuting as you continue the circular motion. Keep this steady rhythm for the next few minutes at your own pace. Stay present. Stay soft. And allow the breath to lead the way. As we return to a natural breath, notice how the body feels. Notice the state of the mind. And be grateful that you showed up today. Use this practice anytime, anywhere to return to this state.